Hello guys, chosen one, star seeds, my brothers and sisters from another mothers, back with another one. Guys, this is a meditation tutorials, alright? And as a semen retainer, okay, if you are on semen retention, you have to use meditation, okay, as a tool to redirect or transmute your sexual energy, alright? And semen retention is the ultimate. It is what will give force to your meditation, alright? Semen retention will help you get your focus right and your concentration right when doing meditation, okay? Hence this video, okay? So this is a tutorial on meditation. Alright guys, so to meditate, okay, is simply to go into stillness, alright, to be still, to be quiet, alright, and to free yourself, okay, to have a peaceful mind and a peaceful heart, alright. So to meditate, guys, you sit up straight, alright, like this, and then as you are sitting up straight, okay, to begin with, you have to breathe in deeply, alright, in and out. It doesn't matter the number you want to go, right? So you breathe in and out. You are breathing in and out so that you use it to do what? To calm yourself, okay? So that your focus now will be on the present, will be on the now, all right? So that is the reason why you have to breathe in first, okay? To relax the body. Just like if you want to pray, you have to sing worship, okay, and sing praises, okay, to relax the mind, to free the mind from this worldly stuff, all right, and then you focus on the stillness, all right. So this is it. You sit straight, all right. If you like, you with your palms open, all right. So you can do this at any place at all. I prefer a quiet place, okay. So maybe in nature, as I am right now, or you can do it in your room. In your seat, you can sit in your sofa and then do it, or on your bed and then do it. Some people will be sleeping, will be relaxing, and then will be meditating, all right? So depending on how you want it, okay? So I want it in nature, a place where nobody will disturb me. It's only the insects and the birds, all right? And the fresh air, okay? So that is it. You sit up straight, okay? So as you sit up straight, now you breathe in and out. Okay, so after breathing in and out, guys, you close your eyes, all right? You close your eye. Now you are going to use the eyes of your mind, okay? You don't need this conscious eyes, all right? So you use the eyes of your mind. That is the eyes you use, or the eyes of your spirit, okay? All right, so that is it. So you close your eyes, and as you close your eyes, guys, a lot of thoughts will be coming in and out, okay? You don't need to feed on the thoughts that comes in and out, okay? All your focus should be on your breath and the rate at which your heart is beating, okay? Make sure you enter into stillness, and then make sure you listen to, if you enter into stillness, you will see that you can hear the smallest sound of the insect around in your environment. You can hear it. You can hear so many noise going on near and far. When you go into deep stillness, you will hear all those things, all right? So you have to go into stillness, and then don't feed on the thoughts that will be coming, whether it's negative or positive. Just allow them. Meditation is simply just like you going to the riverside. When you go to the riverside, let's say by the time you get to the riverside, let's say horses or cows cross the river, okay, and the water become polluted, and you want to fetch water. So what do? You don't fetch the dirty water, okay? So you sit at the bank of the river and wait for the debris or the dirt in the water to settle, okay, before you fetch the water. So same way meditation, that is what it means. It means the pollution, okay, the debris in the water, the mud that pollutes the water are your negative thoughts, are the thoughts that will be coming in, okay? And you don't need to feed on the thoughts. That is what I mean by you don't need to fetch the dirty water. You have to wait for the dirty water to settle. So as you sit straight up, you close your eyes, guys, you wait, okay? As you are waiting, the thoughts will be coming. Don't feed on the thoughts. Just relax, okay? And wait. Just like the example I've given, when the water gets polluted, you sit at the bank of the river and then relax and wait for the debris and the dirt to settle, the mud to settle before you fetch the water. Same way is meditation. So you close your eyes, guys. You don't feed on the negative thought. Your negative thoughts are the dirt, okay? The pollution in the water, all right? So you have to sit quietly at the bank, all right, and relax, because you are not your thoughts, okay? That is why you are not your thought, okay? So if you be following your thoughts, you always be living a busy life, and you can't enter the stillness. So you have to relax, okay? Negative thoughts will be coming in. As a beginner, these things are bound to happen. It will happen, but you don't have to feed on it. So you close your eyes. When the negative thoughts come, just relax, just allow them. Don't feed on it. Don't focus on them, all right? Be still, be quiet, all right? And with time, they will all fade into nothingness, guys. As you continue, okay? As you continue with the meditation, all right, guys, with time, you know, this negative thought will not come again, okay? Because you master your focus, you master. So even when they come cry, you are not going to pay much attention on them, and then they fade into nothingness. So that is it. You go into stillness, you relax, okay? And then you focus, okay? So focus on your breath, on your breathing. If you focus on your breathing, I normally feel goosebumps around me, which is telling me that my higher self is present, okay? Is present in me, all right? And that is what gives me the goosebumps, okay? So you focus on your breath or the rate at which your heart is beating. Don't focus on any other thing else. Focus on the now, and the now is your heart beating and your breathing, okay? That is the now, all right? Most of the time we live busy life. So meditation is to help us get out of our busy life and then focus on ourselves. Focus that leads to the self-realization that we're talking about. And with time, that will lead to what? God's realization, okay? So guys, as a beginner, you focus on yourself first, right? You focus on the now. Then with time, if you are able to focus on your now, then you can now focus on your God or on your maker, all right? So for instance, I believe in Jesus Christ, okay? So if I start to meditate and I sit straight after breathing in and out, now I focus on my breath to be in the now, in the present, okay? As I'm in the now I will open the eyes of my mind, okay, to see Jesus Christ on the cross, saying, "It is finished, it is finished." That is what I normally do, okay? So I focus on him, all right, saying, "It is finished, it is finished, it is finished, it is finished." And that gives me peace of mind and peace of heart. That is simply how I meditate, all right? So whatever your God is, okay, you can focus on your God, all right? And then begin to think of how wonderful your God is, okay? How excellent your God is, how big your God is, how, you know, your God has blessed you, you know. Or you can focus on nature, how beautiful nature is, how the sea look, how the stream is, all right? How the lakes are, all right? So sometimes to meditate, you can even go to the stream, closer to the stream or a riverside, and then you do your meditation. That you are having relationship with nature, and nature is God expressing himself to you. All right, so that is it. That is it, guys. That is simply how you meditate. So you make this part of your life. All right, but the crucial part of meditation is to focus on yourself, to be aware of yourself. So from time to time, you have to be focusing on yourself. Okay, you have to focus on your breath and focus on the rate at which your heart is beating. That helps you to live in the now. Okay, and that helps you to realize yourself. Okay, that leads to self-realization. So even that one, when you are working, you can do that. Okay, with time, you don't have to be pressuring yourself all the time. So when you are working, you can do that. When you are sleeping on your bed, okay, before you sleep, this also helps to help you sleep. It gives you good sleep. When you are on your bed and you begin to focus on your breath and your heartbeat, you will not even know the time you will fall asleep. It will just happen. In fact, it's beautiful. That is what I normally do to sleep. All right, and that is what some people call the alpha mood. That helps you to get into the alpha mood. All right, so that is the alpha mode. You enter into the alpha mode and then you sleep. So guys, that is it. That is it about meditation. Okay, so this one is for beginners. It's for beginners. Then we have the advanced one. That one, with time, will continue. But you have to be practicing this one and then get used to that. And then that is it. When you keep doing this, you have to do it like 10 minutes, 15 minutes, or 30 minutes. Okay, when mastery is achieved, then you can move to 1 hour, and plus 1 hour plus, that is it, guys. That is simply how to meditate. All right, so meditation is a beautiful thing, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. I appreciate it, and I appreciate the subscriber who asked me to do a tutorial on meditation. Thank you, and God bless you. I'm out, guys.